Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to export to JPEG. For example, I will create new drawings and we draw simple 3D objects, create body, create sketch, I will choose top plane and in here draw rectangle at this point, click close, use pad tools to convert into 3D. Click OK. Now if you want to export or save this part into JPEG, you can go to tools and click save picture. Here you can set for file of types like into JPEG or JPG. I will use this option JPEG, and you can set the names like I will set into example file FreeCAD. Click save. Now you can open your folder and you can double click to open the files into JPEG. Okay, that's it, how to export to JPEGs in FreeCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.